Welcome back to TashKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $6 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and we are just about to fully maximize my red target area down here in the formation of this wave 4. And at the time of this recording we also have a chart pattern that is in formation, where I just need to connect these tops like that, then drag the channel to the lower side, and you can see that we have this descending channel that could possibly give us a breakout to the lower side. And before I give you my next price targets here on the Apecoin chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot of structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot of structure in red having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we saw this ABC corrective structure fully maximizing the formation of that wave 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which also fully maximizes our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3 is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 4, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high for that wave 3. That gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that perfectly lies between the $5.2274 mark and the $4.852 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this fourth wave to the lower side to do. And getting to the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out over here, you can see that the $6 mark is now acting as resistance. The 20-day MA is also acting as resistance, fully supporting lower prices in the formation of this wave 4. And we're also seeing this descending channel that we have continued to obey, giving us more than 3 touch points. And there are chances that as long as we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, there are chances of seeing a breakout out of this chart pattern to the lower side. And once that happens, I'll be expecting to see a retest of that key area that is the lower side of the channel. And once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even lower to fully maximize this red target area in the formation of that wave 4. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And in the formation of that wave 4, which is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure play out, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that wave 4 and also giving us the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And we also need to be prepared for any movements to the upper side, because in case Apecoin continues to see an increase in the buying volume from the prices that we are trading within and continue pushing even higher, manage to get above this the 20-day MA once more, then that could trigger another move to the upside to give us a possible break above the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. And in case we see such a move giving us a break above the $6 mark, I'll be expecting to see a retest of that key area of resistance before we continue pushing even higher to get back to the next key area of resistance at around the $6.35 mark. But for me at the moment, I'm in favor of seeing this retracement in the formation of this wave 4. And once the wave 4 plays out, then I think that will be another perfect entry into Apecoin, so that we can be able to ride this bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave, which is down there, to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high for that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6447 mark. So in case we see that corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4 come to a complete, then I'll be expecting that bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, where I expect the formation of that wave 5 to get us to the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6447 mark as a minimum target target area. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower movements in the formation of that wave 4. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting lower prices in the formation of that wave 4. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.